So you are thinking about buying the A1 Mini. Well, I just spent 215 euros on mine, and let me show you why. I will not waste any of your time, so we will jump straight into printing. Right after I finish lubricating the Y-axis guide rails, because that is the first thing it will prompt you to do after it is finished with all the calibrations. And if you are thinking, why do I have to apply oil to a brand new printer? They don't ship it with oil, so that dust and other stuff doesn't stick to it. I started with TPU because that is the main reason why I bought this printer. I have the P1P, which is like 3 times more expensive, but struggles with printing TPU. This was my first print with the A1 Mini. I just selected generic TPU in the slicer and hit print. The Bamboo Studio and the Handy app is a big bonus. Being able to monitor prints on your phone is super handy. I think the Benchy came out great. And after printing some more stuff in TPU, I wanted to print this handle. But I ran into a problem as I wanted to load my PLA. The spool holder was too narrow for my typical spools. So I went online to find a solution, and somehow the first thing that I stumbled on was this completely over-engineered extender with print and place bearings. I thought that it was completely pointless, so naturally I had to print it. The assembly was quite straightforward. First, you put the middle part on the spool holder, which will hold both of the sides together. Then you slide on one side and clip it in place and do the same thing for the other side. In the end, just add the end cap and you are done. And now I can finally print my handle. Just listen how quiet it is thanks to the active motor noise cancellation. It came out great. Thanks to the active flow rate compensation, the top surfaces always look really good. Lastly, I want to talk about the build volume. Yes, it's only a 180 millimeter cube, but I can squeeze most of the prints on it that I have previously printed with my P1P. And yes, maybe you can't print so many in one go, but we all know that this printer is not meant for mass manufacturing. And still you can squeeze bigger prints on it like this Bulbasaur flower pot. Overall, I think that it is a great value for money printer, and I will be definitely using it a lot. Leave a comment on what I should improve in my videos, and thank you for watching.